Are you ready to turn your conversations into cash? In today's video, we are revealing 7 incredible ways to make money using Chat GPT. Stay tuned and unlock the secrets to monetizing your chat skills like never before. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the secrets of monetizing your chat skills like a pro. Number 1. Content creation. Whether you're a blogger or social media influencer, Chat GPT can help you create content that engages your audience and helps you earn money. 1. Writing articles and blog posts. One of the best ways to make money using Chat GPT is by writing articles and blog posts. You can use Chat GPT to generate high-quality content that is optimized for search engines and provides valuable information to your audience. For example, if you have a website that focuses on personal finance, you can use Chat GPT to generate articles on topics like how to save money on groceries or 10 tips for building a budget that works for you. These articles can attract traffic to your website, which can help you earn money through advertising or affiliate marketing. 2. Creating social media content. Social media is a great way to reach a large audience and build a following. Chat GPT can help you generate high-quality social media posts that are engaging and shareable, which can help you grow your following and increase your earnings. For example, if you have a social media account that focuses on healthy eating, you can use Chat GPT to generate posts like 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas or the benefits of adding more veggies to your diet. These posts can help you build your following and increase your engagement on social media. 3. Developing ebooks and courses. If you're an expert in a particular topic, you can use Chat GPT to help you develop ebooks that can be sold online. These resources can provide valuable information to your audience and can be a great way to earn passive income. For example, if you're an expert in digital marketing, you can use Chat GPT to help you develop an ebook on topics like how to run effective Facebook ads or 10 ways to increase your website traffic. These resources can be sold online, providing you with a passive income stream. Number 2. Develop software solutions. Creating software solutions can be a lucrative way to earn money with Chat GPT. There are several options for developing software, including apps and bots that use technology to offer valuable solutions to businesses and individuals. No-code platforms have become increasingly popular recently as they make the development process faster and more accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience or qualifications. These platforms use AI and machine learning to allow users to create software solutions easily. One of the most popular types of apps is chatbots, which can be used for customer service, marketing automation, lead generation, and more. ChatGPT is a platform that allows you to create custom AI chatbot solutions to meet various needs. All you need to do is provide the necessary information about your business, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. After developing your solution, you can start earning money by offering it on digital marketplaces or your website. Many companies offer no-code platforms, such as Bubble, Upsheet, and Dodalo, which are designed to make software development accessible and straightforward for everyone. To make your software solution stand out, you need to ensure that it provides a unique value proposition that addresses a specific problem or pain point for your target audience. A good way to do this is by conducting market research and identifying the gaps in the market that your software can fill. Number 3. Online tutoring. When creating your online course, it's essential to ensure that it provides users with enough detail and complexity to understand the topic fully. For example, if your topic is dog training, you can use Chat GPT to create videos that explain specific commands and how to use them effectively. You can also create quizzes at the end of each video that test viewers' understanding of the material. There are several online course platforms, such as Udemy and Coursera, where you can create and sell your courses. You can also use your own website to sell your courses and keep all the profits. The second way you can make money using Chat GPT for online tutoring is by offering one-on-one tutoring sessions. You can use Chat GPT to help you prepare for your tutoring sessions by generating relevant content and questions. You can then use this content to provide personalized and engaging sessions to your students. There are several online tutoring platforms, such as Chegg and Tutorm, where you can offer your services and get paid for your time. The third way you can make money using Chat GPT for online tutoring is by providing homework help services. You can use Chat GPT to help you answer complex questions and provide detailed explanations. There are several homework help platforms, such as Brainly and StudyPoll, where you can offer your services and get paid for each question you answer. Number 4. Offer consulting services. If you're well-versed in using Chat GPT, offering consulting services is a great way to earn money. Consulting involves providing clients with advice on how to integrate Chat GPT into their business effectively or offering specialized training to optimize its usage. Being a successful consultant, you need to have a solid grasp of the technology and the various software and applications associated with it. This way, you can provide valuable insight to potential customers. One of the benefits of Chat GPT is that businesses can leverage its large language model and do not need to create their own custom model from scratch. However, as a consultant, it's crucial to understand the client's objectives and goals to offer tailored advice. You should also have an understanding of the company's target audience to develop a strategy that caters to their needs. Consulting is an excellent opportunity to earn more money in sales, but it requires you to establish credibility by demonstrating your expertise in the field. For instance, suppose a company wants to utilize Chat GPT to improve their customer service by implementing a chatbot. In that case, the consultant can help them integrate the technology into their existing system and provide customized training to their customer service team to ensure effective usage. Number 5. Write ad copy. In the competitive world of advertising, getting your ads noticed on Google Ads and Facebook Ads can be a challenge. However, you can use natural language processing algorithms to create a copy that is highly targeted and effective in connecting with potential customers. Chat GPT is an excellent tool for this purpose, enabling you to input specific keywords and generate compelling ad copy based on them. It can also customize the ads according to different audiences, making it ideal for crafting messages that are relevant to specific segments. Sponsored content such as sponsored posts or product reviews can also benefit from this approach. You can use Chat GPT to write ad copy for businesses that lack the resources to do it themselves and earn passive income. The key is to create a copy that directly addresses the customer's needs and prompts them to take action. Number 6. Language teaching. As you may know, Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art AI language model that can generate human-like responses in natural language. This makes it a powerful tool for language teaching and learning. So, let's dive into the details of how you can use Chat GPT to teach a new language to clients in exchange for payment. Using Chat GPT to teach a new language is quite simple. First, you'll need to select the language you're proficient in and create a curriculum for your clients. You can then use Chat GPT as a conversational partner for your clients, allowing them to practice speaking and writing in the new language. The beauty of this method is that Chat GPT can generate responses in real time, making the learning experience more interactive and engaging for your clients. For examples, let's say you're a Spanish teacher and you have a client who wants to learn conversational Spanish. You can use Chat GPT to create a curriculum that focuses on daily conversations, such as ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. During each lesson, your client can practice these conversations with Chat GPT, receiving instant feedback and corrections. This method can be highly effective, as it allows your client to practice speaking and writing in a safe, non-judgmental environment. Number 7. Develop video content. Video content is a powerful tool for online marketing, education, and entertainment. If you want to make money with Chat GPT, developing video content is an excellent option. Chat GPT can assist in developing video content that can help you make money. Here's how Chat GPT can help. 1. Content ideas. Chat GPT can help you generate content ideas for your videos based on your niche, target audience, and keywords. You can ask Chat GPT to suggest topics for explainer videos, how-to videos, or product reviews. 2. Script writing. Chat GPT can help you write scripts for your videos by generating ideas, providing research materials, and suggesting phrases and sentences that fit your tone and style. 3. Video editing. Chat GPT can assist you in editing your videos by suggesting video transitions, adding text overlays, and advising on thumbnail images. 4. Monetization strategies. ChatGPT can provide you with insights into various monetization strategies based on your niche, audience, and platform. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest advertising platforms, affiliate marketing programs, and other ways to monetize your videos. 5. Optimization. ChatGPT can assist you in optimizing your video content for search engines by suggesting relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and tags. This can help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. There are many types of video content you can create with the help of ChatGPT. Here are some examples. 1-point explainer videos. These videos explain complex concepts or ideas in a simple and engaging way. 2. How-to videos. These videos provide step-by-step instructions on how to do something. 3. Vlogs. Vlogs are video blogs where you document your daily life, travels, or experiences. 4. Reviews. You can create product reviews or share your opinions on movies, books, or TV shows. 5. Interviews. Conduct interviews with experts or influencers in your niche. In conclusion, these 7 ways to make money with ChatGPT have demonstrated the versatility and potential of this powerful tool. By leveraging its capabilities, you can create new income streams and enhance your online presence. You can turn ChatGPT into a profitable asset for your online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy earning!